Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add effects to your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So now just open a video in the app and you can see this window, and that's my video at the bottom of the page. So now just click to the movie line at the lower side of the screen, and here you can find the lower bar. You just click to the third option, the FX, and here you can find different effects about different thematics: film, glitter, estrella, loves, glitch and others, and just select one, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the home screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.